Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making pancakes since it's pancake day. For this recipe you will need plain flour, some eggs, caster sugar, a mug of water and some milk. You can use liquid milk if you prefer. So guys, I'm going to start making my batter for my pancakes. First I'll add in my water. Next, in my milk. Now I'll add in my eggs. Now I'm going to mix that together. It still needs a bit more whisking. Now I'll add in my caster sugar. And finally, my flour. Now to mix all the ingredients together. We have a nice smooth batter. You have to keep mixing until you achieve a good consistency. Then it's time to fry. Guys, it's time to start frying. Now that my pan is hot, I'm going to spread some oil and then we'll start frying. I've transferred my batter into a jug so it's easier to pour. Let's start. That looks amazing. When it starts to bubble, it's ready to flip. I'm going to flip now. Now I'll flip it one more time. Now I'll put it into a plate. So now I'm going to repeat the process and put more oil. This time I'm going to be using a flower shape. So now I'll put my shape in place. You can use a heart shape if you prefer. Let's pour. Once it starts to bubble, it's ready to flip. So my flour pancake is ready. I'm going to take it out now. So now I'm going to repeat all the rest off camera. So guys, this is the finished product. I just topped it up with some whipped cream and some blueberries. Doesn't it look amazing? Wow. I can't wait to eat this. We're now coming to the end of the video. Can you like, share and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.